Okay, so we look at the seagull again. And I will check the time, how many days have passed up to these young seagulls. This is baby seagulls, and I observed it more than a week ago. So we're just looking again. It's on the roof. I will write how many days old is. No, from the time we saw it before. Okay. Just check what it's doing. Right. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, this is the seagull baby. We can just guess how much old is it. But I noticed it, some time before, more than a week before. Here is a seagull's mom and dad. They're coming, right? Yeah. The mom is watching towards mom and dad. If you notice, wow, he's looking towards me. Not me, but he's watching the baby. And here is the baby. This is the baby. This is grown up, but still doesn't have long feathers, so can't fly. It's still baby. Notice something here. This bird. So this is look like not baby. It's look like not seagull, the pigeon. So they come for food left by the seagulls. So these seagulls don't kill two pigeons. I think that's why the pigeon is standing there. So they're not pigeon eaters. Yeah, okay. So that was the seagull baby we observed before, more than a week ago. Okay. That's a seagull mom lying, standing there. Okay. Watching the baby. That's the baby. The whole night they speak. They make a night to protect their babies. Yeah, okay. Right, we finish it now.